Example 1, we have a function f of x equals 3x over 6 plus x, and we want to write this one as a sum of infinite terms, and then we want to find what is C0, C1, C2, C3, C4 like this. So first let us take the problem. We have f of x, which is 3x over 6 plus x. That can be written as 3x over, we can factor out 6 from the denominator, you get 1 plus x over 6. And you understand why we are taking 6 factored out, because in my expansion in the top, if you see, I have either 1 minus x or 1 plus x. So I want to see 1 plus something like this. So this one is now, if you rewrite, you get x over 2 and then 1 plus x over 6 to the negative 1. Now we are ready to write the expansion immediately, like x over 2 and then summation n goes from 0 to infinity. If you are using the second formula as you see here, I just need to replace my x by x over 6. So now let us do the simplification. We have x over 2 summation n goes from 0 to infinity. I want to put negative 1 to the n, and then you have x to the n over 6 to the n. Now let us do some more simplification. We have 1 over 2 and then summation n goes from 0 to infinity. Here you get x to the n plus 1 over 6 to the n, because we have another x outside, so that combines the exponent with x to the n, and then x makes it x to the n plus 1. Now if you write, also I forgot here, negative 1 to the n should be there. Now when you are saying n equals 0, so you get 1/2, keep it outside. So x to the 1 over 6 to the 0 is 1. Then I will write n equals 1 now, so negative 1 to the 1 is producing a negative sign. Then you will have x to the 2 over 6. Then the next one will be plus sign. Now I'm putting x equals 2, so I'm getting x to the 3 over 6 squared. Then again, when you write n equals 3, so negative 1 to the 3 will produce a negative sign, and you get x to the 4 over 6 to the 3, and so on. All right. Now let's do some more simplification. 1/2, we get x minus x squared over 6 plus x to the 3 over 36. You can rewrite your problem like you get x over 2 minus x squared over 12. Then you are getting plus x to the 3 over 72, and so on. Okay. Now what happens when I'm writing n equals 0 to infinity on c and x to the n? So that one is also giving me c0 plus c1x plus c2x squared. If you just collect your coefficients now, you can see c0 is a constant, and I don't have constant in here. So then c0 is 0. c1 is the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is 1/2, so c1 is 1/2. Then the coefficient of x squared is negative 1/12, so this is negative 1 over 12. The coefficient of x to the 3 is 1 over 72, so you get 1 over 72, that's my C3. And similarly, you can check that your C4 will come out as 1 over 432 with a negative sign. Thank you.